How to make your own face for free in Roblox. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create and upload your own custom face, and you'll be able to use this on your Roblox avatar. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up an internet browser and type in Pixel or PixArt and press enter. Click on the official website and then press start creating. Now, we need to create a free account. You can sign in using your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or simply continue with an email address. Once you're signed in, close out of any pop-ups and select Start New Design. Then click on Create from Blank Canvas. Now from the left-hand side, click on Background. You can then select the Transparent Background option. Next, from the left side, click on Stickers. This is where you can start building your own custom Roblox face. Use the search box to search for things like eyes, eyelashes, lips, blush, eyebrows, or noses. Now simply drag the different elements onto the canvas and arrange them however you want to create your own unique face. Once you're happy with your design, click on Export in the top right-hand side and then download the image. If needed, change the file type to JPEG or PNG and press Download. Now open another browser tab and go to slazar.com, click on Upload Image and upload the face you just created. This website will automatically remove the background from your image. Once it finishes processing, press Download. Now that your custom face is ready, head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're logged into your account. Click on Create from the top navigation bar. Then from the left-hand side, select Creations and click on Development Items. Now click on Decals. Press Upload Asset and upload the face image that you just downloaded from remove.bg. You can give it a name and description if you want and then press Upload. Once the upload is complete, scroll down and locate your uploaded decal from the list. Click on the three dots next to it and press Copy Asset ID. Now head back over to Roblox and open the game called Catalog Avatar Creator. Once inside the game, click on Catalog at the top and then go to Faces. Now press Item Link and paste in the asset ID that you copied earlier. Press Enter and it should load your custom face. You can now click on Try On and preview the face directly on your Roblox avatar. And that's it. You've successfully created your own custom Roblox face for free. If you found this video helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.